Hi, this is Karen, aka Rambusticated, here with my last Cat's Meow box for the month. Wait, my last from minialbumscraps.ning.com. There's my plug for my Cat's Meow. This is my last one. So sad. I like getting stuff in the mail. Um, well, who doesn't, right? Anyway, this one is from Marla. I had to fly swatter out of the way because there's this fly that's really annoying me. And Marla has sent me a really big box. Let me see if I can catch it. See? Whoops, no, that's not. I can't control. There we go. See this really big box. Let me see my shirt, my pajama shirt. I'm in my pajamas. Anyway, I'm going to try to get through this um, before my daughter comes home from her last day of summer camp. Whew. So we'll see how late the bus runs anywhere between now and 45 minutes from now. So let's see what happens. Ooh, so I get a card to me from Marla. Uh, pretty paper. I think she stamped that. Hey, Karen. Well, here we are. I was looking back to see when we did our first swap together. It was 2012? Really? Oh my gosh, I didn't know it was that long ago. How time flies. I just wanted to thank you again for all the wonderful things you sent me on my CM month. Oh, no problem. I love doing that stuff. Most of all, your homemade items. Oh, she's giving me warm fuzzies. I hope you can find us use of the items. Of course I will. I also sent a little something for my Princess of Darkness. Oh, Suela will love that. As everyone, I'm so hoping the handmade items get there. Oh, I know, the one piece thing, you never know. You never know how kind the postal service will be to our boxes. We're in the mercy of the postal. See? I told you, she said the same thing. Okay. P.S. I suck at making cards too. Join the club. Oh my gosh. It takes me, I don't know, 3 times longer to make a card than it does to make, I don't know, like a scrapbook page or something. And it's just I don't know if it's a brain fart or what. Oh, so pretty. I'm afraid. It's got all this pretty paper. See, isn't that nice? Here we go. Let me back this up a little bit. Still learning how to work this camera. The camera. Oh, this is nice. This is what is this paper, Marla? Oh, is this the open part? Just trying to muscle my way through the part that's not supposed to open. Ooh, how pretty. Look at these dragonflies. Aren't those beautiful? Oops, isn't that pretty? Ooh, beautiful. Thank you, Marla. Oh, and I got another pair. Nice. Thank you. Those are beautiful. Where you get your goodies? Oops. Oh, I didn't want to rip it. There's 2 more people on the list. There's I think Jenny and Mary. Mary's the Khaleesi. So some of the bags may look familiar because I may be reusing these. They're so pretty. I should be, putting them in the mix of the. Ooh, steampunk button. Look at that. Look how cool those are. I'm ripping these open anyway. I bought some more kits to make molds and stuff, so I'm going to be making a lot of molds of these things. Isn't that neat? Thank you. I'm not a big button person like you are, Marla, so I have a button thing that just snips these right off. I'm sorry. I can save a few of these for you, Marla, if you can save any for yourself. Ooh, octopus. Octopi. Octopi is the plural. Do you see them? I haven't used any octopi yet. I'm trying to figure out how. These are a nice size. The ones I have, they're kind of big. These are a great size though. Can you see that? Is it focusing? There we go. Isn't that cool? That is so cool. Thanks, Marla. Oh, you know, you're a girl after my own heart. Compasses. Actually, you know, I think I might leave the shanks on some of these and like string them on an altered piece. You know what I'm saying? Using the loops. That'd be kind of cool. Yeah, I might do that. Yes, thank you. Oh, and of course, what is steampunk without any cogs? I'm gonna have fun with these with my patina stuff, my patina paints. See, these look way too new and shiny. They gotta look a little more pitted and gross for me to find them acceptable. You guys know what I mean. I think the nice term is distress. We gotta distress them. Isn't that funny how we work to make things look old when they start off looking new and shiny? My mother would have been freaking out if she saw me do that. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, multicolored clips. These are great for tags and putting on the cover of minis to hold other things up, you know. And also to use as a closure for minis. Thanks, Marla. She has so much stuff in this is a big box. You all have sent me big boxes of stuff. You've all been so generous. Can't get over it. Oh, a keychain. Oh, that is one badass keychain. Isn't that cool? Let's see. Can you focus? I sure hope this is focusing. I am, oh, I have to pull away from the camera. Not in a latitudinal, but in a longitudinal manner. That is cool. Awesome. Thank you. Is this that, you guys go to these, it's like an Asian dollar store or something I hear? We don't have that around here. But I see, I read little notes on you ladies going to it. Sounds unique. Maya Road burlap, little burlap sacks. Isn't that cool? You can ink these puppies. You do all kinds of things with these. Thank you. It's so quiet in here. I kicked my boys out to go do some volunteer work. Tired of them hanging around the house. Ooh, see? Camera. Camera. That's a cool bag. Yeah, look at it. There. Oh, what's this? Stringing. Twisted aluminum wire. Oh, I've never seen this before. I thought they were like rings. But the packaging is implying otherwise. Ooh, have you used this, Marla? Oh, get out. Nice. Look at this. You can shape it any way you want. It's in your total command. Ah, ah, ah. Wow, that is neat. Oh, I could think of all kinds of fun stuff to do with this. Thank you. Wow. I have to think. I'm gonna think about that. I'm getting some posts about what you done with the stuff you got so far. I'm like, I don't know yet. I haven't fully played with them. I'm trying to catch, I still have a couple of projects I'm trying to catch up with. I'm supposed to be teaching a class on a mini in a couple of weeks. So I got to get it all together. I'm not the fastest person in the world. I'm quite the opposite. So it takes me a while. Ooh, blingies. See? Blingies. Hello. There we go. Hello. When we start talking like the queen around here, it gets really addictive. It's hard to stop. Ooh, and a pretty heart. You could put that right on a cigar box. You just paint it, stick it on. It doesn't really need much more than that, does it? Beautiful. Thank you. Oh, gosh. I'm not even close to being done here, I don't think. My daughter's going to come in the bus before I'm done with this. And this doesn't have a pause button, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do when she does come. That's why I'm kind of rushing a little. Well, I'm not being as slow as I usually am. Ooh, oh, that's cool. Look at that. It's a knob that has that kind of tassel look. It's that Victorian type of. That's cool. Thank you. I haven't seen that in our Hobby Lobby. And what? Oh, what is this? Antique metallic metal label clips. Oh, okay. I haven't used these. It's 6-piece. It's got like a vintagey. What happens if I go really close? I know the glare of the light bulbs. Thank you. Oh, now this is a nice. You just stamp paint on there with a stamp. That's pretty, see? Is it focusing? I hope it is. Let's see. This is a really porous paper, so it's hard to take the tape off without ripping some of it. Come on. Come on. I don't bring my scissors down with me. This is my little kitchen eating table. Actually, it was my mom's. I grew up at this table. That's why it's not looking real clean. Ooh. Charms. Let's see. I really don't like this glare. Come here, you. Oh. Huh. There. Let me get rid of the glare. Cool. Birdcage. And you see something. What happens if I go all the way? Uh-oh. That might be the bus. I like the fans. The fans are pretty neat. It's the bus. I have to go get her. Thank you, Marla. Let's see. How do I can't why can't I pause this thing? Well, I guess I'm just going to have to just stop it. Just hold on a minute. Okay, so I got my girl. Where's Wallaby? This is, let's see if I can do this. This is how she looks whenever she comes home from camp. Sway. Hey, girl. Hi. Yeah. Say hi to everybody. No, she hates, I know, she hates it when she has the camera on her. Don't you, girl? She's like, Ma, come on. So that is my, yes, this is my princess of the night. Who's not sure if she likes the orange juice because she's making a mess. Okay, so I'm just going to stitch these two videos together. All right, baby. You can fall asleep if you want. Or I'll finish up here. Okay. Ooh. Oh, this is a heavy one. Want to see what I'm getting here, baby? What Miss Marla sent me. I know, isn't that cool? Isn't that cool paper? It's nice. Yeah, it is. She turns her head to the right for yes and left for no. She said yes. It is cool. Ooh, okay. I gotta put my glasses on there. Molding paste. Oh, nice. Molding paste. So hey, cut that out. It looks like black, white, and silver. Is that right? It's a mystery. And I got more. Yeah. Now these are colors you'd like, Sway. Look. It's like a lime green and a blue and fuchsia. You know what fuchsia is? I think it's like a pinkish purple. I never did get an official definition. But that's what I'm saying, girl. Nice. Look at this long one's way. Now look at this paper. Isn't this pretty? You like it? Yeah, I know. You keep eyeing it. Isn't that nice? Maybe we'll alter a box in your room with these papers. What do you think? Ooh, what's this? Ooh, let's see. 14. Oh, okay. Photo overlays. See these? So these are like, these are clear plastic. Just open a little bit of it. I don't want to open the whole thing or I'll lose them all. And I'll end up throwing that somehow. And they got, looks like they got different colors of them. What? What is it? Static electricity. See, so it has like a color to it. Like that little clear hole there, and then there's, so you put a photo under it, and it, gives it color. I know, pretty cool, huh? Alrighty. Relax, girl. Relax, little lady. And it's got all these colors on it. Thanks, Marla. That's pretty cool. Yes, Wayla. You learn new stuff all the time. Ooh, note. I had these handmade some time back, and these were left over. Maybe you can use them for a project. Have fun. Ooh, Marla. I'm intrigued, too. Yeah. What? What is it, Marla? Homemade. What is it? There we go. Ah, bubble wrap. You know it's good stuff when it's in bubble wrap. Ooh, okay. Whoa. What is this? It looks like glass. Geez, well, I really should have brought my scissors down here. Oh, whoops. They're like little, see, like little pear-shaped glass ornaments. And with the wire. See, here's one, Zuela. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Yeah, I think yeah. Looks like different, thanks, Marla. Oh, you could do all kinds of fun things. Glass. Wow, thank you. Are these the same thing? Yeah. Same size? Yep, same size. Wow. Marla, I hope you kept some for yourself. You gave me so many. Thank you. That is pretty awesome. See, I said awesome's whale. I said I cut down on saying awesome, but I don't. Oh, okay. And then there's like a little size on the other. Of course, it's going to be difficult. There we go. Oh, see, there we go. And it's got a little one. Okay, I got it. So each little holding area, each little hole has one of each of these. Wow, thank you. Thank you. Ooh, that's going to be fun to play with. Isn't it, Zuela? Of course, I put it in the wrong way. Thank you. And this, oh, this is wax paper antique. Oh, so this is, see this, Zuela? It's like a glassine bag, I think, isn't it? Yeah, yeah. Wow, they give you a lot of it. See? Wow, that is cool. Geez, Marla, you need to give me all this stuff. That's amazing. Thank you. Just want to see that's the way. See, it's like a wax paper. It's got all those little Paris-y things. The Champs-Élysées. The Arc de Triomphe. Triomphe. Something like that. There's more of this paper that you like. Oh, you want some more orange juice? Do you want more orange juice? Huh? You gotta answer me, baby. That's that cool paper again. Oh, thank you so much. This is on my wish list. I get these different various measuring utensils. Actually, I don't think mine was a Tim Holtz. And then what happens is I use them and they get in contact with maybe different reagents they shouldn't. And the printing on it all wears off, so it's all worn off on mine. So I asked for a see-through ruler. It's got a cutting edge here, and it's got a 0 point, so I can center. So thank you. Thanks. Look, Suela, I can center again. Oh, and I think, Suela, look. Oh, look at this. Isn't that pretty? And it says it's for Ms. Zuela. See? You're not Miss Zuela, you're Ms. And you are, girl. Yes, I know. How cute. Look at this pretty little ribbon. Isn't that pretty? Whoops. Here. Let's put that over here. It's your bracelet now. How'd you get your finger in the towel like that? There we go. Okay, and the card says, Zuela. Here are a few small things for your Zuela. Hope you two can enjoy them together. Oh, okay. And this, I'm supposed to open just between me and you. It's a secret. Yeah, I know. See? Oh, as soon as, okay. You don't want to do that, Zuela? Zuela's a secret, too. She's not, handmade. Oh, I got one. See, this one was just hiding in the corner there. Ooh, molds, yay! I don't think you could see. This glare from my light here is just a little crazy. You make this mold, Marla, or you buy it? Isn't that pretty? See all the detail in there? There's little kind of architectural arches and I know, flourishes. Thank you, Marla. That's beautiful. Handmade. Be careful opening small parts. Ooh, I'm intrigued, Zuela. What do you think's in here? What do you think's in here, Zuela? Well, this is the last one. Don't fall. Your eyes are so heavy. She comes home like a wrung out rag, this girl. I don't know what they do to you at camp, but I'm going to miss it. Because they sure do wear you out. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Trying to open it carefully. Wow. Okay. Wow. Oh my gosh. Uh-oh. Just heard something fall, but it sounded tiny. Look at this. Oh, it opens. Look, Suela. Hold on. That doesn't come out. There it is. So look at that. Mm, pretty. Wow. It's got these little charms in it. Marla, this is beautiful. It's a little gypsy house, Wayla. What do you mean? This one's for me, girl. I'll share it with you. You're blowing your lips at me. Too bad. Wow. That is gorgeous. A little bird cage there. You falling asleep? Oh, she's giving me the side eye. Get mad at me. Oh, it's got a little door. Hello. I know. Let me see. Is it this side? It's the other side. This is beautiful, Marla. That's beautiful. I love the little beads. Check out the beads, Way. See those? It's a little room. Oh, pretty. Oh, wait a minute. A table fell down. Let me go put that back up. There we go. Okay. Let's see. There's the door. There's a pretty table. Little, oops, little flower pot. How pretty. That's beautiful, Marla. Thank you so much. It's got beautiful trim. Wow. That is so pretty. Which way? This way. I keep forgetting to go the opposite of where I want to go. That's the roof. Love the paper. I have this paper. I haven't used it yet, though. What a great way to use this paper. See the graphic 45. It's their architectural paper. I forgot what it's called. You make the wheels, girl? Up is down, down is up. Okay, there we go. Time, time, time. That's what that says right there. You even got the little steps. That's so great. Wow. Beautiful. Thank you so much. See, it all came in one piece. You can breathe again. Wow. Guys, this has been a great month. I have loved everything you guys sent me. I mean, above and beyond. You guys just totally crushed it. I'm not very good at expressing myself, but I am so thankful. And just everything's been so wonderful. And my daughter's giving me the I'm hungry noises. And Anyway, thank you so much for this Cat's Meow Month. Um, let's see, Jenny, I think you're up next. I hope you enjoy yours. And I will see you guys later. Bye.